Welcome to Peaches and Cream. Today we're making a hash brown egg scramble. It's very easy to make using only one skillet and it's absolutely delicious. Let's start by whisking together 8 to 12 eggs. The number is very flexible, just do more or less depending on your tastes. To a large skillet, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 large diced potato. Cook for 5 minutes or until they begin to soften on the outside. Add 4 slices of chopped bacon and cook for 15 minutes on medium-high or until browned. Then add the beaten eggs. Make sure to stir the eggs constantly while cooking them to keep them from browning. Cook until almost set, then turn the heat down to low and add 2 chopped scallions and 1/3 of a cup of cheese. I'm using a cheddar cheese blend today, but you can use any cheese you prefer. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Give it a stir and then turn off the heat. You can serve this in the pan or you can transfer it to a serving dish like I am today. Garnish with scallions and more cheese. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.